thecocktailenvy.com. Hey, welcome back to The Cocktail Envy. It's Mike Fuller, your host. That's me. And I'm making a pomegranate martini today. To start off with the pomegranate martini, we want a chilled glass. I've already got the glass chilling with some ice, and I've also rimmed the glass in sugar. Make it nice and sweet for you. The pomegranate martini can be made several different ways. What I'm going to be doing is using a citrus vodka to start with, and I have infused my own citrus vodka. What this is just regular Pinnacle vodka, and I have infused it with lemons, limes, and oranges. So normally after this process you would strain it into a clear container, but I'm not going to because I don't have to, and I actually like the pulp in the drink. So once again, we're going to start off with about 1.5 ounces of citrus vodka. You can use the regular store-bought, but you don't have to. You can infuse your own if you'd like your own. So use about 1.5 ounces of that citrus vodka, and we're going to use about 1/2 ounce of triple sec. About 1/2 ounce of triple sec. And some pomegranate juice. Make sure when you're getting the pomegranate juice that you look for 100% pure pomegranate juice. Bolthouse Farm makes it. Palm is my favorite. So I'm going to use about 2 ounces of pomegranate juice. And this is a really tasty treat, this pomegranate martini, and I believe it's healthy. A lot of antioxidants and stuff in this. So, put your lid on, shake it up nice and cold. Yes. Shake it up real good. You want to shake it really good. You want it to be nice and chilled. And like I said before, I'm actually chilling the glass. Some people put them in the freezer. These are really good drinks to serve in an already chilled glass. And basically you just put some ice in the glass, let it sit for a little bit, and then when you're ready just simply dump it out. I mean, it's that simple. So, there we go. Little malfunction here. There we go. You can see it's nice and chilled. Can you see that? And I've already got the lid, not the lid, but the rim of it in sugar. Now you can garnish this with an orange, what have you, lemon peel. Now to top it off, what I like to do is just a squeeze, just a small squeeze of fresh lemon right on top. Just, that's it, that's all, no more. Just right on top of that. This is a pomegranate martini, probably one of the best ones you'll ever have. By chilling the glass and shaking it up really good, you can see the top, well you may not be able to see but I can, is kind of turning slushy just a little bit on the top. Now these are a sipping drink, most martinis are. Wow, that's really good. Woo! Ah. That sugar is really good. Anyway, that's my Pomegranate Martini. Citrus infused vodka or citrus vodka. Triple sec. Pomegranate juice, 100%. And a squeeze of some lime. And you're on your way. Thanks for stopping by. Until next time. Visit www.thecocktailenvy.com for all your party needs.